Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Welcome to Shri RM Jain Vidyashram Online Teaching Academy, Ekalaiva. Today's session is EVS. I'm going to teach you a lesson, My Body. This is our body, children. I'm going to ask you a few questions. We write with our legs or hands, children? Yes, of course. We write with our hands. We hear with our ears or mouth. Definitely we hear with our ears. My body has different parts. Ears, eyes, nose and mouth are found on the face. Children, our body has different parts. In our face there are ears, eyes, nose and mouth. Now we are going to label these parts. Identify this part. This is ears. And identify this part, children. Yes, this is nose. Identify this part, children. This is eyes. And label this part, children. Yes, this is mouth. These are all the different parts on our face. My senses. My eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue tell me about the outside world. They are known as sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Children, we have 5 sense organs, children. They are our eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. These sense organs help us to tell the outside world. Okay. Now, our eyes help us to see. With the help of our eyes, we can see everything. Okay. And our ears help us to hear. With the help of our ears, we hear whatever I'm teaching. Okay, now I'm teaching. You can hear. And you can listen to the musics. And you can listen to the music and you can enjoy and you can feel it. Right? And whatever the sound, you can hear only with the help of your ears. And nose. Our nose help us to smell. Our nose help us to smell the different things. When your mummy is cooking in the kitchen, if she is preparing different delicious food, you can smell only through our nose, right? If she is preparing biryani, you can smell if it is a spicy food, or if she is preparing any sweets, the ghee smell, everything you can feel it, right? You can smell only through our nose. And our tongue help us to taste. See, children, all the different delicious food we can taste only with the help of our tongue. Okay. Whether it is spicy, whether it is sweets, or whether it is salt, whatever the taste, we can feel the taste only with the help of our tongue. We can taste the food only with the help of our tongue. And skin, our skin help us to feel. You know one thing, our body is fully covered with the skin. Okay, so it is the largest part of our body. It is the largest part of our body. If you touch a hot coffee, you can feel whether it is hot. And if you touch the ice cube, you can feel it is very cool. whatever, if you touch a soft flower, you can feel that it is very soft. And if you touch any rock or wood or any brick, you can feel it is hard. You can feel it only by touching. Okay, you can feel it only with the help of your skin. Okay, so these are all the 5 sense organs. Functions of body parts. Different parts of our body help us to do different things. Our legs and feet help us to walk. See children, with the help of our legs, we can move from one place to another place. Jump. We do long jump, high jump, everything with the help of our legs. And we can run. We can move very fast. Okay, only with the help of our legs and feet. And we do different kicks. You all play football, right? Football. It's very interesting game. You kick the ball by using your feet. Okay. And have you seen the kickboxing, karate, everything? They do different various kicks. Okay. And then our arms and hands help us to write. You're all writing your homework. You're all writing the notes, class works, everything, right? Book works, everything. Only with the help of your hands. And you're all painting. You like to paint and do coloring. You're all painting only with the help of your hands. And we are eating only with the help of our hands. We are eating different things, different delicious food only with the help of our hands. And we are holding the things. We are holding the things means we are carrying our school bags, we are carrying our toys, we are holding the ball, everything only with the help of the arms and hands. Children, hope you all understood, children, and thank you.